Hello, Earth System Science. Welcome to the weekly agenda for September 28th. I hope everyone's doing okay and staying up to date on things. We are moving further this week into our unit of local water. Last week we looked at the sources of Fort Collins's water, Horsetooth Reservoir via the Colorado Big Thompson Project and the Cashopoota River. This week we'll move into water quality, and so I'll jump right into it. Just a reminder that if you have not turned in the slide that you were responsible for explaining where Fort Collins gets its water, that was due last week, but you want to turn it in as soon as possible so you can get credit for it. And as always, reach out if you need help with something you've missed. But here's the week. So again, two things that we're going to go through this week. The first day we meet, we'll be doing a synchronous water quality lecture, but it's going to be interactive through Pear Deck. And so you want to make sure you are present for that on Monday, as you will earn credit for that by participating in the Pear Deck lecture. The second time we meet, we're going to go into reading an article about something called the Gold King Mine incident that happened 4 or 5 years ago in Colorado, and tied to water quality because it's an example of pollution. And so those are the two things that will earn you credit this week. Both of them, again, will be explained in more detail during our class time. If you feel like you're struggling to stay up to date with things, please reach out. I'm accepting all late work, though the later you wait or the longer you wait to turn things in, the more points you will have essentially taken off. And so better to work and stay up to date, or as up to date as possible, as we move forward, because there's just going to be more new things added every week. So do not hesitate to email me with any questions that you have or any help that you require. But yeah, I'll see you guys in class.